I shall start my class on adverbial clause. You should know what is adverbial clause. Adverbial clause does the work of an adverb. Since adverb always qualifies or modifies or refers to verb, adjective, even adverb. Now, I shall in detail discuss the classifications of adverbial clause, such as there are many kinds of adverbial clause, such as adverbial clause of time, adverbial clause of reason, adverbial clause of concession, adverbial clause of time, adverbial clause of place, adverbial clause of result, adverbial clause of manners, adverbial clause of condition, adverbial clause of concession, and adverbial clause of comparison. I shall discuss all these adverbial terms in details, one by one, going through the sentences. Number 1, wait until I come. In this sentence, there are two parts. In one part, wait, this verb is in principal clause, and the last part is in adverbial clause. Until this word does the work of the verb of principal clause. And that is why, according to the definition of adverbial clause, this is last part is an adverbial clause. Number 2, stay where you are. Here stay verb is in the part of principal clause, and where indicates, refers to place. The last part is an adverbial clause of place. When adverbial clause or adverb refers to place, the part of the sentence will be adverbial clause. Number 3, as he is ill, he cannot come. This is adverbial clause of reason. Why? Because in the first sentence, he is ill, তিনি অসুস্থ, he cannot come. This is result. He cannot come, this is result. But what is the cause? As, যেহেতু he is ill, he cannot come. Here, result, and there is reason or cause, and it is adverbial clause of reason. Next, 5. I am so tired that, আমি এত ক্লান্ত যে I cannot work. This is what kind of function and result in this sentence? Result. Result, such as I am so tired. আমি এত ক্লান্ত যে আমি হাঁটতে পারি না। কেন হাঁটতে পারি না? There is result. I am so tired. There is cause, I cannot work. That is the result. And this kind of adverbial clause is correlated or associated with that, so dash dash that, such, even that. Number 6, help to others as you would be helped by. অন্যকে সাহায্য করতে এগিয়ে আসুন যদি বা আপনি উপকৃত হন. If see, as you would be helped by. So, this is adverbial clause of manners, such as adverbial clause of manners contains such as some terms of adverb as if, however, how, as though, such as. This kind of words or this kind of phrase are in the list of adverbial clause, and it depends. Adverbial clause of manners depends on behavior, depends of such as working in the same way. Number 7, adverbial clause of condition. If I succeed, I shall help you. there should be a condition. If I succeed, I see, if I succeed, I shall help you. I shall help you. The last part is principal clause. But if the sentence starts with if, adverbial clause of condition, the part or this part must be adverbial clause of condition. Next, adverbial clause. In adverbial clause of conditions, we can see some words such as if, otherwise, unless, in case, whether, on condition, provided that, or supposing that. This kind of phrase, this kind of words of adverbial terms must be used on adverbial clause of condition. Number 8, concession. Though he is poor, he is honest. In this sense, we can see negative sense and positive sense. There is contradiction. While there is contradiction, something is better, but there is opposite result. In this sense, we always use concession, such as though, although, even, whoever, however, even, if, such as. This kind of words, this kind of adverbial terms are used in adverbial clause of concession. Next, comparison. The girl is as wise as her father is wise. Here you see, the girl is as wise as her father is wise. On comparison, in the clause of comparison, there should be comparison between two. For this, some terms of adverbial words are used, such as so, such as, then, even the. How the may be used? The more you read, the more you will learn. The more, the learn. This kind of terms are used in adverbial clause of reason. Next, relative form in terms. I have bought a dog, which, in order that it would guard at night. আমি একটি কুকুর কিনেছিলাম এই অর্থে, এই উদ্দেশ্যে যে রাত্রিতে কুকুরটি পাহারা দেয়। In what sense? This is adverbial clause or relative, because there should be a cause or there should be a purpose. If there is any purpose or cause in adverbial clause, in that sense we can use relative terms such as who is what. In this sense, if any question arises on question paper, I have bought a dog which, in provided that it would guard at night. এই অর্থে this is relative form. So, from my discussion, you will have some ideas what kind of question may arise on question paper, and you should thoroughly read the question. Number 4, and you should very sincerely use adverbial clause, and if there are any kind of problems, you should wait, and naturally you can write what kind of answer may be appropriate here. Next, I repeat. Firstly, you should think over adverbial clause. What is adverbial clause? There are many kinds of adverbial clauses. Adverbial clause of time, adverbial clause of reason, adverbial clause of condition, adverbial clause of concession, adverbial clause of result, purpose, reason, and provide. All these terms you should always grasp in your mind. On clause, I have completed 3 terms of lesson. One is principal clause, second is subordinate clause, Under subordinate clause, there are three kinds of clauses: noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause. I have taken your classes on noun clause, on adjective clause. Now I am taking your class on adverbial clause, and I have thoroughly teaching you on different kinds of adverbial clause. On the next class, I shall teach you complete the sentences where necessary words. Today, I don't like to enhance my class because this class is very helpful, and what I am teaching now in this time, you should watch my class. And in the last classes, I gave you 3 times suggestions on paragraph, on compositions, even on graph or chart, even on email. You should revise, you should take your preparation on those types of writings, because examination is knocking at your door. So don't wait. Take your preparation before facing the examination. Many thanks. Here, wait for the next class.